Great news! Your loan has been approved by underwriting, and now we've reached the conditional approval stage that we talked about in the last update. This is a major milestone, and it's exactly where we expected to be. The important thing to know is that every loan receives a conditional approval. It's simply part of the mortgage process. It means your loan is moving exactly as it should. Now that the underwriter has completed the initial review, they're providing a list of anything that's still needed before issuing your final approval. Many of those conditions have absolutely nothing to do with you. For example, we may still be waiting on the final appraisal report, or the completed title work, or other information that's already been ordered from companies that we are working directly with. Those items simply take a little bit of time to come back to us. If the underwriter does need something specifically from you directly, it's usually something straightforward, like an updated pay stub. At this stage, we're continuing to work directly with the lender every single day. We're reviewing each condition, we're providing updates, submitting documentation as it becomes available, and staying in communication with the lender's processing and underwriting teams to keep everything moving forward. In many cases, we're simply waiting for information that's already been requested from other parties involved in your transaction. As those items come in, we're reviewing them and getting them back to the lender as quickly as possible. At this point, you've already done most of the work, and there's a good chance that we won't need anything else from you. But if we do, we'll let you know exactly what's needed and why. If we do request an updated document, sending it over as promptly as possible keeps everything moving without any unnecessary delays. Otherwise, this is a good time to let our team keep things moving forward while you focus on getting excited about what's ahead. As each condition is satisfied, we'll submit the required documents back to the lender for review. Once the underwriter confirms that every condition has been cleared, you'll move into one of the most exciting milestones in the entire loan process: clear to close. And that means that your loan has received its final approval and you get to prepare for closing day.